how to change your username on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your username on TikTok. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app. Go to your profile in the bottom right corner, and then you can see edit option beside your username. Tap on it, and then you just need to tap on your username, and then you can just erase the one and change it. So you can hit save. It's in the top right, and you can see that you can change your username once every 30 days. So make sure this is the right username that you want, and then you can hit confirm. So if you need no, if you want to change your display name, then you can go to the display name, and then you can change it similarly. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.